Welcome back everyone, I hope you're all doing well. In this one I'll be showing you rather weird anomalies I discovered in Utopia Planitia. We're looking at this photograph called Pitted and Variously Textured Terrain in Utopia Planitia, acquired on the 6th of July 2012 at 30.5 centimeters per pixel. And as always, I'll be showing you images cropped from the JP2 black and white map projected file, just over 410 megabytes in size. There's a look at the low-res black and white, and the anomalies I'll be showing you are scattered about this rather weird terrain. Looks like there's signs of dust devil tracks in this region as well. Located right there, folks, to the top right edge of Utopia Planitia at 47 degrees 33 minutes north, 111 degrees 41 minutes east. We'll have a look at some of the other anomalies close by towards the end of the video. There's the first one, folks, right there, sticks out like a sore finger. That item is about 10 meters across, and it's got a hole right there in its center. How strange is that, folks? We see that all over Mars. Then we're looking at that rectangular part. It's about 5 by 5 meters in size, and it looks like it has a rectangular opening in it. Check that out, folks. Straight edges, right angles again, parallel edges as well. So we've got just the opposite there. We've got a disc. Now we've got this strange rectangular item. Seeing those in one area is quite unusual. Check out the slabs or blocks over here. This looks like an ancient ruin. Look at the parts scattered about all over the place. We'll zoom in on those blocks over there, and what drew my attention to these is the way that these seem to have been placed. There we've got one block very similar in size and shape to these two over here. It's about 12 meters long. Then we've got these smaller blocks placed opposite these larger ones, like in a zigzag pattern. This looks rather artificial, folks. Could be natural, who knows, but just the way that these things have been arranged, or they appear to be arranged, looks highly artificial. Right angles, straight edges going on there again. Another part with a hole in it there, folks. This piece is about 12 meters across. The right angle there looks like a hole, and next to it we've got a little triangular object. That piece there has a small dome-like protrusion or knob on it. We're looking at this strange block. It's about 20 meters long and about 12 meters wide, and I think you can already see it, folks. We've got a depiction of a triangle right there in the center. Look at that, guys. Perfect triangle again. And that we also see all over Mars. I wonder what the significance of that triangular depiction is. I can't see that those are just coincidence or a natural occurrence. There's just too many occurrences like that. Okay, let's zoom in to that site, located to the top right of Utopia Planitia. There's the photograph we analyzed, and a brief look at those anomalies again. Let's check out the site here to the north. It's about 60 kilometers up to the north. Got like a quarter disc-shaped object there, small protrusion right there in its center, and then various slabs and blocks. Get the way those two fit together. Got a hole right there in the center of this one. These blocks and slabs remind me of the ruins down in South America. Let's look at this site here, about 80 kilometers to the east. More blocks and slabs. Check these out, folks, still neatly packed in a row, very similar in size and shape. Strange part right there in the center of that piece. L-shaped part seems to fit against this one. Got a little triangle depicted there. Let's have a look at this site, about 100 kilometers further to the east. Look at the arrangement of those smaller parts there, parallel with this slot cut into that block. Another L-shaped piece, looks like it's slightly curved down on the top, right angles to it, and it's got a hole right there on the top. Strange disc-shaped anomaly, and in this part looks almost like a drumstick. Weird, rather strange. And then that rectangular part with a small rectangular pattern carved into it. Another L-shaped piece there. Look at the uniform width to it. And in this arrangement, got two of these parts arranged parallel with this one side. And then right there through the center on the left, we've got that smaller, looks like a disc on its side. Block with a protrusion or knob on the one side, on top of that square item there. Check out this disc-shaped piece, and it's got this strange part on the top, follows the same arc as that there. Another block, a small hole or protrusion on it. Check out this block, small disc lying there on top, right there in its center. Check out this arrangement, perpendicular to that slot. We've got that small protrusion or knob. Looks like a rectangular opening in this piece, and that long narrow part lying there on the top, right there in its center again. Check at these blocks, and then we've got these smaller parts lying on the side of each of those two blocks. Strange rectangular item on top of that, and there's a small protrusion or knob in the center of that piece, and then a raised area running down perpendicular to that side over there. Now we've got another block with what looks like a rectangular opening in it, and that seems to be repeated over there. Looks almost like some sort of container. Look at the two dark spots running through the center over there, perpendicular to that one side. And then this block looks almost like a small pyramid. And there's another depiction of a triangle. And then that we see this also rather often, two large parts separated with a gap or bevel, and then the part in the center bridging the gap. So, open container, who knows what these are. And with that said, we're at the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Do let me know what you think of these anomalies. Let's have a chat in the comments below. To my new subs, welcome on board. Thanks for joining the channel. And then as always, thank you to my veterans for your viewership and your support. Take care everybody. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao for now.